Bella and Mackenzie.
Oh,
and I'm going to be vlogging my school day, so yeah.
It's going to be interesting.
It was really fun. Oh, I mean, it's going to be really fun.
Yeah. It's going to be an interesting video
so
of me forgetting my
We've already filmed it. We hope that you enjoy it. You'll see her in the beginning and her in the beginning.
Every part.
Yeah, every part.
A lot of parts.
Yeah. So remember to give this video a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment when my next video should be.
Wait, when are you editing?
subscribe. And also comment below if you think I should do, if I should make a YouTube. If I should make a YouTube channel featuring like different hairstyles and how to do different hairstyles.
Oh, we're about to go to cheer practice right now, so we gotta go.
Isabella, did you watch my YouTube video? I posted one.
You did?
Yeah.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I'm a vlogger. I'm better than Logan Paul.
I didn't know.
Description box. Goodbye.
This is a vlog. It's the last day of school, and I'm glad to end my suffering.
Oh God. I am Kaylin's best friend, so back off. I'm Teatria. I'm amazing.
I was featured in her nationals vlog singing Christian music because I love Jesus. I'm Taylor. I'm April Kepner.
Oh God, this actually is like a really good camera. It like shows all my flaws. Period and like it's so cringy. I'm just like Annie.
You should go add me on Instagram.
Yeah, here it is across the screen.
Yeah.
And you need to add me on Snapchat, ava.walden.
Oh yeah, Snapchat and Instagram.
It'll be in the description down below. Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay, it's the last day of school, last day of suffering, and if you think I'm being dramatic, everyone here is going crazy, okay? I had Ready Whip for breakfast, okay?
My mom, she didn't think cheeses were healthy enough, and so she bought the extra healthy kind.
Welcome to our school!
Yeah.
So, outfit of the day.
Oh yes, outfit.
Yes, honey. A dress, thingy, sweater, and hair back.
Cool. Hey, so the school year is pretty sucky.
It is. I'm tired already.
I'm really bad at this.
Yeah, Kaylin's natural. She's gonna give away. Okay, when she gets to 12,000 subscribers, she's giving away an iPhone X. So y'all need to.
That's even a thing by then.
No, but like when she gets to 12,000 subscribers, she's gonna give away. Yeah, she's gonna give away the newest iPhone. Yeah, add me or request me on Instagram at Ava Walden.
And mine is Teatria, Teetrea.
Guess what? I'm going to the beach 2 times this summer. I don't want stalkers to follow my Instagram, so I'm not giving it away.
Well, I have one, but yeah.
She never posts.
She's a lesbian. Everybody here is a lesbian in some type of way, except for me, because I go no homo all day. All day.
Yeah,
Don't listen to her. She's being a bully.
I like boys like a lot.
guess what? Okay, if you want to get started on a rant, the other day, Maya stole Xavier's Jolly Rancher.
That's Maya. That's mine. That's Xavier.
And so,
One thing led to another. Pencil pouches were thrown. A pencil pouch and some pencils.
yeah, it was really funny.
Xavier ended up getting a head concussion. But
Remember what Kylie did?
Beep that out.
can you bleep that out? Like how they go beep?
I don't know. Oh, I know. Mama taught me that.
Please do, because she's.
Oh my god.
Bleep that out.
Ooh.
Ugly is so good. I don't know if that's how you put it.
Yeah, I was like,
Ugly.
I know.
Anyway, so.
Your edges are laid. Okay.
Oh.
Sahara, my hat.
Don't say my name.
She has.
So, congrats on 400. Don't you have 400? Yeah, congrats on 400 subscribers.
400?
Everyone's proud of you.
She's famous. We had to get the splits. Hold on.
Oh God.
Yeah.
To me today. So God bless. Have a great time. Hopefully hot news there.
Bye, Noah.
It's MG. Are we on Snapchat?
Oh my gosh, stop. Oh my god.
Yeah, hey, it's MG the OG. I'm on Snapchat. MGA 101404. You know. Kaylin will put it in the description in the box below.
The link, not the description. What you mean?
It is the description box. I said I'll put it. Kaylin will put it in the description.
Okay. No.
Yeah, she'll put my Snapchat in it. Do not touch anyone else. Put that away. Turn it off.
So we're headed to lunch, and yeah, I didn't even pack my lunch today. I was too worried about this vlog. What you know about me? What you know about me? I'm so
Watching Big Hero 6 on the projector.
I'm eating bhajia with all Kaylin's Ethiopian fans. Y'all know what this is. Okay.
Sydney and
Bhajia.
I'm honestly gonna miss 7th grade. This is my favorite. I'm not gonna miss 7th grade. It's the year where she actually got friends. Not good ones. I'm just kidding. This was the year where actually some people liked you. Including you. See, here's the tea. There's the tea. She's friends with no one is my blood, okay? No one made me in the middle. Fifth period.
We're doing a fun math game. This is like the best math game ever. It's called Bonkers. What?
This is Hannah.
What did you get? What did y'all score?
I got a bunkers.
I won! Oh my god.
Add me on Snapchat at Miles Rango. Add me on Instagram at TLSU1.
Wait, is she recording?
Wait, do the flippy thingy so we can both get in it.
Okay. So cool. Oh my god. I look bad.
Oh, there's Shania. So,
Janaya, say hey.
I forgot my cheer clothes.
Are you going on YouTube? Oh, I'm on camera. I'm on camera.
I'm gonna start vlogging. You ready? Okay, I'm taking over her channel. All 400 of you. Y'all have to deal with me now. You probably are gonna get so many unsubscribed people just because I took over.
I'm a vlogger.
Okay, guys. So I'm back.
Oh, you should video me doing the shoot dance. Come on.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. This is about to get scary.
Say hey, Tiana.
Hi.
Oh, this is some good lighting. No.
We will get a Tim practice door camp.
No, my mom talked to Miss Ruth about it. She said it's fine.
Yeah, my mom talked to you there too.
Okay, I need
as long as I'm not the
yeah, Kaylin, give me a shot with
Is it your mommy today?
Our practice, well, we're not at practice yet, but like we're getting ready to practice. Oh yeah, you said that.
I'm Reese.
I'm tired.
I'm Mackenzie.
Again, I'm brilliant here. Reese? Didn't say you can have feedback.
Yo, what's cool, guys?
Look, I'm Kaylin's
I'm Reagan.
for camp last year, so.
I'm Reagan. I'm Little Daddy. This is Big Daddy Broken. Somebody's.
I'm Bigger Mama.
You gotta get that snack going.
I'm Justin McKenzie.
That's a lie. That's a lie.
Where are we going?
Watch them.
Me.
Oh, hi. This is my school.
It's my sock. It's my sock.
We're matching.
Oh yeah, we're matching.
That was a hard ball.
That's cool.
You thought it was gonna be the end of me? Nah!
Yeah, practice, everybody like threw up, kinda, so.
Yeah, it was like 5 people that threw up. I'm so short.
Yeah, I got so lightheaded, I'm just ready to go home.
But yeah, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed my face for a good
Yeah,
however
y'all
long this
saw
was.
her for like, I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but half the time she was in it.
Bye y'all. Add me on Snapchat. Oh, remember to subscribe because like I'm posting a new video like this weekend, so.
This is my channel, honey.
I'm promoting myself. Bye!